Hello everyone, this is Harald, Seiz, CEO and founder, Karatbars International. Today I have some good news for you. Right now we are producing our new product. We received our first cash gold exchange machine, the CEM. And from October we start with the delivery around the whole world.
This is a video on how to use the Karatbars machine. We are going to show you the options. You have 3 on the main screen. We are gonna go for the redeem QR code. Here you have 2 options. We're gonna go for the Karatbars cash gold. And now we have to scan the QR code from our account. We have 8 options here to choose an amount which we want. I'm gonna go for the 5 and I'm going to agree with the terms and conditions and hit next step. And here we have 5 cash gold. Yay! So, this is the Karatbars. You can easily recognize it by its logo and the colors, of course. Gold is our color. This is the confirmation page from our transaction.
And here you can see our K1Impulse K1 phone. It's based on a completely new technology. It fully encrypted all informations like your text, voices, medias and documents. Also our data is encrypted on the IPFS platform. Everything you transmit will be encrypted and visible to only the user you want. Besides of this, you will get a lot of other possibilities with this phone. The telecommunication market is a $1 trillion market. This market is divided in 5 important continents. So in September you get your phone, you will be excited. The next point is our cash gold. I want to show you how we produce our cash gold here in Stuttgart. So now here is our brand new cash gold machine. We produce here in Stuttgart our cash gold for you, for the people in the whole world. And here you see we have the application. They fix the gold element on the foil. Then the robot fix the gold element. After that we have the DNA application and then the glue fixation. And after this, we have the cash gold already. So, and now, ladies and gentlemen, the 4th of July was a big day for Karatbars. Everyone can change 100 coins in 1 gram. And a lot of people did it. You see it here.
And we are so happy to be here to witness history being made today, Golden Independence Day. We're so excited to be here. I've already exchanged my KBC coins, 100 of them, into pure physical gold, as our CEO and founder, Mr. Harald Seiz, promised.
So, and you see everything is on the way, everything coming out and very fast, very soon, yeah. And on this point, I will say thank you for all the leaders they trust Karatbars since 8 years. And thank you very much. This was a fantastic journey with you, and I can say congratulations. The people, they are a long time in Karatbars. They are financial independent, and you will see if you go your way, you go straight, you look not right and not left, you go straight, you will reach your goal. Because some people, they give some messages. In the other side, if you have your focus on this what you want, then you get everything what you want. I will say thank you very much for listening to me, and see you in September. Here was Harald Seiz, CEO and founder Karatbars International.